So I've just got this new job in construction. They told me that I can start on Monday, but I would need a CSCS Green Card before I could start. I've had a look online and it looks like a bit of a minefield. There's plenty of different options out there, but most of them are costing over £300 and I've been told it can take up to 2 weeks to get the card. That was until I came across a company called COSAC. Their helpful and friendly staff taught me through the process and told me that I could have the card within a few days and it would cost just over £150. Now follow me as I go through the process and I'll talk you through each stage. COSAC explained there are 2 steps to getting my CSCS Green Card. The first step is the Level 1 certificate, which I'll do through them, and then the CITB Health, Safety and Environment Test, also known as the touchscreen test. COSAC offer Safe2Site online. It is CSCS and CITB approved. It is a Level 1 course which costs £99 plus VAT, although I did get an extra £15 off on the website. Once I'd confirmed my order, I received an email with my login details so I could get started. COSAC told me to go to citb.co.uk to book my test to make sure that I only pay £22.50, as there are resellers out there that will charge more. I put my postcode in and found my nearest test centre, and I'm all booked in for the day after tomorrow. It's all coming together now. I'm ready to start my Safe2Site training. You can use a mobile phone, a tablet, computer or a laptop. I'll be using my laptop. It's all really well laid out and there's a welcome page that explains everything. There's 4 easy modules with a practice test at the end of each one. I feel confident going into this as COSAC were the first company to put the training for the CSCS Green Card online. And since then, thousands of people have received their CSCS Green Card through Safe2Site. So I've now finished all of my Safe2Site modules and passed my practice test. It took me just over 3 hours to complete and I'm now ready for my final test. I can take it at any time, so I'm going to have a little break and have something to eat and take it later on. I'm about to take my final Safe2Site test. I'm in a quiet place where I won't get interrupted and I've got my photo ID with me. I'm going to be using my mobile phone because I don't have access to a laptop. Well, that was painless and I've passed. I had to do an ID check, a room scan and a root speaker declaration. This test took me just over 10 minutes, but you do have 30 minutes to complete it. There's 30 questions with a 24 question pass mark, but there's nothing on the test that wasn't covered in the training. I now need to wait for the test to be validated. It'll take up to 24 hours and then COSAC will send me over my certificate. I can't believe it has only been 4 hours and COSAC have already emailed me to say my certificate is ready. I only bought the test this morning and I already have my certificate. I hope the CITB test is as easy to pass. I've now been preparing for my CITB test. COSAC did tell me that the Safe2Site test should give me enough revision, but you can also purchase more from the CITB website and there's plenty of YouTube videos as well. I think I'm prepared enough, so wish me luck. Good news, I have now passed my CITB test. It's a 50-mark test with a 90% pass mark. When you go in, they'll take your picture and check your ID, and the picture will be used for your green card. You'll then be sat in a booth where you'll complete the test, and once it's completed, you'll be given a sheet with your pass mark and your CITB reference number. I am now ready to order my green card. So I've just ordered my green card online and it should arrive in the post in the next few days, but my new boss can use the CSCS Green Card checker to make sure that I've got it. I'm now ready to start my job on Monday. It was really easy to order the card. I went onto the CSCS website, uploaded my Safe2Site certificate and put in my CITB reference number, and paid the £36. I can't believe I've got this done so quickly, and I can't thank COSAC enough. I'm glad I trusted the Google and Trustpilot reviews, as they have matched my experience, and I would highly recommend COSAC and Safe2Site to anyone looking to get their green card.